In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AI variables in Lemlist Outreach to personalize your cold emails at scale. First, log into your Lemlist account and open the campaign you want to work on. Next, click on a step where you want the AI variable. Scroll down and click on Add Personalization. Then inside the window, click on Create Variable and select Create AI Variable. Now, give your AI variable a name, like Icebreaker or Clean Job Title. Then click Save. After that, you can either import a template from Lemlist Prompt Library or create your own custom AI prompt. For example, you can ask the AI to write personalized intro lines based on a lead's company and job title. Once you're happy with the result, click Generate for all leads to automatically create personalized content for your entire campaign. Finally, go back to your email sequence and insert the AI variable using personalization tags, like double curly brackets around your variable name. And that's how you can use AI variables in Lemlist Outreach to scale personalization and improve your reply rates. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.